Actually here. It didn't feel like we were going to get here, so this is really exciting. So this is when you first walk in, this is the living space.
Some lovely, not shag carpet here, but it's
it needs some love.
A little bit gross. And get some light in here. Let's see what we got here. How do you work these? But some new windows in here. They're not too old. They're recently upgraded, so we don't have to do that. I'm concerned about that. Some air in here because it smells bad. Some classic wallpaper, probably straight from the 60s. It's starting to peel. It's going to a fireplace here. We need to see if this actually works or not. If we can actually have a fire in here. Looks like there was a fire at some point.
Yeah, we'll get somebody out.
And into the new dining room. This is
our dining room.
It's very pink. Is there a light switch?
No Are you light switch? Filming you?
No, I'm filming you.
Okay, because I just hit my head.
Oh, doesn't work. Light doesn't work.
Here.
Oh.
Did you flip this?
Oh, there you go. Turns out I don't know how to work the light switch. Nice little pink. Is this wallpaper or is this like a model effect? That's weird. Kind of looks cool, just the wrong color.
Oh, wait. I think they did that by hand.
Really cool texture. Cool.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well, I kind of want to lime wash some of the space. Welcome to our kitchen. It's newly renovated, super updated. We have a nifty JVC television in this corner.
This actually works. We did have this playing on our tour around the first time.
You could play a CD.
Yeah. Just needs a little bit of updating in here. It's not terrible. It's not that out of date.
We might keep a similar floor plan, but we're going to rip everything out.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is the kitchen.
Probably remove the vinyl, put something else down, maybe tile, get some nice backsplashes on there.
And then
remove that hideous thing. Do you see this? Look at this.
What?
What's this?
Oh, I don't know.
It's awful. If nobody knows, this is my wife. This is DIY with Kath is what we're going to call her, I think. So I've been too negative, but I think this kitchen is a good floor plan. I think we can really transform it and make it a little bit more modern. But to begin with, we probably just need new appliances, and this should be good to start using, actually. I don't think we need to gut it straight away.
Okay.
We're gutting it straight away, I guess.
And then if you follow me this way, we have our half bath downstairs.
You know what amazes me?
What?
This isn't a thing in the UK, but in America, every kitchen has a bathroom off of it. It's the weirdest place. Why'd you put a bathroom off of your kitchen? I just don't understand why anyone does that. It's like, just put it somewhere else, not right there. You could basically fry some eggs while sitting on the toilet, which just is weird to me. Something else that's strange in the US to me is everyone has two living rooms, or a lot of houses have two living rooms. So here's a living room, number 2, or family room, whichever one you go with. There's some vinyl flooring down here, so you need to see if there's anything good under there. Lovely pink rug. I think pink might have been their favorite color. Free couch. Anyone wants it, let us know. Probably going to be gone.
Just comment below.
Yeah, it'll be going up on Facebook Marketplace for free. Nice windows. See out into the drive here. And this, what's this little paneling back here? That will probably be gone. But something that this house has that our previous house did not have is an independent singular laundry compartment room situation.
And this is just, this is just shelving. We could probably take that out.
Yeah, so we could expand that if we want into.
And also, these are not super old, are they?
I don't know. Washer and dryers aren't too bad, so maybe
we have an agitator.
Maybe look at getting a little laundry space. Yeah. And like kind of like a little reading nook, maybe somewhere for doing, I don't know, work in here. I don't know.
There's lots of like little spaces that are a little interesting.
And then a little
my favorite part.
Yeah, I like this room too.
I'm super excited about this.
This is the 3-season room.
It smells a little right now, but we're gonna work on that.
I think there's a skunk living underneath this, so we need to investigate that. But just look at this. It must have what? 10, 12, 14-foot ceilings in here. Mm-hmm. That's really tall.
It's a great place for a Christmas tree.
3-season. You got the original siding here on the house. They just kept that when they put this extension on. That's fine, but this is a really nice space that I think we can transform, maybe add some heating, add it to our square footage. But you know, this is really nice. And then off this room, we have a little deck with a fancy door that has blinds in the glass. I've never seen that before.
It's an addition to it.
Yeah, here, nice little space to hang out and put a table maybe, or some rocking chairs.
Yeah.
Watch out onto our drive and see anyone coming by to say hi. So you can see here, it's kind of bright, but the shutters are going to need resprayed. The blue paint here is just peeling off, so we'll get them off and get them cleaned up and give the whole house a whole pressure wash. It's a little bit dirty, going to be neglected for a little bit. Older couple living here, or older lady, and house just needs a little bit of cleaning and love, which we're going to give it plenty of that. So back through the kitchen into the tiled entranceway. I really like this tile. It's a little bit kind of dated, but more
I'm glad somebody
glorious
does.
wallpaper. It's probably original wallpaper, so it's 50-something years old. It's built in '66. Shag carpet on the stairs, so the dog
Coat closet.
coat closet. Overrated, underrated. I don't know.
Underrated.
Something we need to do check. It's listed. We don't know there's hardwood floors under here, so when we start ripping these carpets out, we're going to find out what we have underneath. Maybe we don't have anything, but something from the '60s, Kath. What do you think? Hardwood or no hardwood? Leave a comment down below
hardwood.
if you think we're going to have the hardwood or not.
Maybe everybody can hope for it with us.
So upstairs, carpet, pink, definitely their favorite color.
Yep.
Yep, we can tell that. Nice master bedroom in here. 2 smaller closets. Don't know what you think about that.
Yeah, that works.
They're
I
a
like
little
it.
bit on the smaller side compared to what we've had previously. Master bath. It's a really nice size in here.
Yeah. I'm excited to break this all down.
Get rid of this old shower in here. That's brown, or is that pink?
I think it's pink.
That's
Everything is
horrific.
pink.
That is a terrible color.
And there's like this enormous closet in the bathroom. I don't know.
Is this a walk-in? Is this like a walk-in closet situation?
I don't know.
Maybe we can make that.
Maybe,
into a
you know,
walk-in.
I can get dressed in here with the door closed in the dark while you use the
I
bathroom.
wonder if we can make. Maybe we could do that. Maybe we can figure that out. That
Maybe room for a bathtub.
could be possible. Walk-in closet or walk-in closet bathroom. I don't know.
Jesus.
We'll have to get creative and see. Like watch you get dressed while I use the potty.
You're so weird. I like you.
Bathroom in here. This one's actually really nice. It's clearly been updated.
Yeah, this has been done in the last 5-10 years.
Really small toilet bowl.
Yeah,
Really
ew.
small
Don't
toilet.
show anybody a closet.
It needs cleaned. We'll have to get cleaned.
Oh wait, there's a closet in here too.
Yeah.
This house has so much closet space.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna rip all the storage out of the closets and then redo it.
You think?
Yeah, I just want to pull everything out, get it
Make
like
it nice and
everything
clean?
needs a fresh coat of paint.
Something that we're a little bit confused by is up here is a massive fan. I'll show you that in a minute, but this here, so we can turn the fan on, but we need to turn the oil off first, which I don't know why we'd have to do that. So we need to do a little bit of investigating, see what happens.
Yeah. But it's a nice big bedroom.
The fan works, but we got here. And so you can see upstairs, at least, has some really nice hardwood floors. So we'll need to get this carpet out and see what condition they're in, but they look like they could be in really good condition, so we won't have to refinish them.
I don't know.
And then here we have 2 closets as well. This is awesome amount of storage space in here. We've got a smaller one
Does
here.
it go all the way? No. Oh, because the bathroom closet is right in the middle
And then
there.
our closet in here.
I mean, wow, okay.
Into the other room, which is a really decent size. All 3 rooms are bigger than our master in our old house, which
Is this one
unbelievable
bigger?
size. About the same size, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit smaller, but some blue carpet in this one. White walls. It's gonna be really easy to come in here and paint.
Another
Yeah, every
wonderful.
house has a fan in it. We can get some AC units in, screens. We can get new window treatments. Very, very little work needed upstairs. Just basically updating these doors. I don't like the brown doors.
Yeah.
Do you like the brown doors, Kath?
I'm not a huge fan.
No, I'm not.
I mean, they're fine. I just would like something else.
Maybe we'll put some nice. I don't know. I don't know what kind of door. Maybe we'll have to make some doors. Maybe put some barn doors on. I don't know. We'll see. See what happens.
The world is our oyster. Your head on the fan.
The fan's a little bit low, but
And then
We got
here's the
this.
4th bedroom.
there's actually a closet here as well.
Yeah, there's another closet. I think
So much
that's-
closet space.
I think that might be like the 12th closet. There's just coming from our last house there. I mean, the bedrooms had closets, but there was not a single liquid storage downstairs on the main floor. There was one little tiny closet on the 2nd floor for like linens and things like that. But this is like, this house is closets.
Yeah, which is good. You know, stuff to store crap, basically. Decent sized closet in here, you know, for like a kid's room, office kind of space.
Was that there before?
And then up here we have a walk-up attic. That was not there before, that was pushed up. Something we just found, I think it's a really nice touch from the previous owners, is they just left a picture. That's what the house looked like when they bought it in '66. See here, a little station wagon there. We're going to take a look outside and see what it looks like from the outside, so you can see what this looks like when they bought it versus now. Let's go check out the basement and then
join me.
Go outside. Oil tank, workbench.
Water softener.
Yeah, water softener here. Oil tank was replaced 20 years ago, I think it was. Boiler, I don't think it's original, but if we do need to replace that, we can.
So
and all the well equipment here. And yeah, wiring was redone in the 80s, I believe, maybe early 90s, so more modern wiring. But nice little space down here. We could finish this, or maybe just keep it as storage.
Put a wall up here and just finish it.
Yeah, you see. And the one car garage here. My truck won't fit in here, but Catherine's car will fit in. But decent space. I would like to have had 2-car garage, but hey, 1 car is better than a no-car garage. So let's head outside. Watch I don't hit my head because that's kind of low. Nice little area here outside the garage where it's kind of covered, so you could put a little, I don't know, chair out here if you want to have, I don't know, a cigar or something. Beautiful retaining wall. This was redone, not original to the home, but really good quality. There's no bulges, no kind of signs that it's fallen over, so they've done a good job with the drainage on this. There's a large tree there, and it's not causing any problems. Sometimes those roots could cause a problem, but they haven't done that. They've done a really good job taking a lot of care of it. You can see here just what it looks like now. That grey-blue siding maybe?
Grey
with the blue shutters compared to what it looked like the white when they first bought it. A little porch up here where we can sit. We can sit up here, get a couple of chairs maybe, you know, a rocking chair on this side and a rocking chair over there. Whole thing needs washed, it's just a little bit dirty.